In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a sale on Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or just looking to refresh your skills, this tutorial will guide you through the essential steps to set up a sale seamlessly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify store. Once you've done that and you're on your home page, navigate to the side menu where you will find a section labeled Discounts. Click on Discounts to move to the next step. This is where all your discount-related activities will be managed. Next, you'll need to create a new discount. Look for the Create Discount button and give it a click. This will take you to a screen where various options for setting up your discount are available. Now, it's important to decide which products or collections you're planning to include in this sale. Here, you want to select discounting specific products or collections, depending on your strategy and inventory focus. Once you have that figured out, proceed by selecting the option for Automatic Discounts. Automatic discounts apply to eligible purchases at checkout without any need for customers to input a code, making the shopping experience smoother and more appealing. With automatic discounts chosen, your next stop is the Discount Value section. Here you will decide the details of the discount you're offering. It could be a percentage off or a fixed dollar amount, so make sure to set it according to what best suits your sales goals and margin considerations. Following that, you need to define the availability of this discount. Consider if it should apply to online sales only, or if it includes in-store sales as well if you're operating both. This section is about making sure the discount reaches the intended audience effortlessly. An essential part of setting up your sale is outlining any minimum purchase requirements. Sometimes setting a minimum, such as spending a certain amount before qualifying for the discount, can drive higher revenue and ensure your promotion meets its profitability targets. Next up is the Combinations segment. Decide if this discount can be combined with other discounts or if it stands alone. This choice can influence both customer purchase decisions and your margins. Lastly, make sure to define the active dates for your discount. Set clear start and end dates, ensuring that the promotion aligns with any campaigns you might be running and that it is easy for your customers to understand when the sale is available. By following these steps, you're all set to run an effective sale on your Shopify store. This tutorial should give you the confidence and know how to manage sales and boost your store's performance. Thanks for watching and happy selling!